here's a restored 1998 GMC Sierra. Yes, I'm going to tell you what it started out as. As you can see, it's a Chevy front end, so it has had some modifications. But as far as starting life out, 1998 GMC Sierra 1500. We can also go with Chevy Silverado 1500, regular cab, short box. Underneath the hood, 305 Vortec V8 that is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive, 4L60E to be exact. That cowl hood is steel, it's not a fiberglass hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. And as you can see, the front end has been color matched to the rest of the vehicle as far as the bumper, grille. We do have some smoked headlights and marker lights down below. If you want to see the still pictures and take your time looking through those, you'll be able to see the engine bay, interior, bed of the truck, undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pics. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, 22-inch US mag wheels. And then of course you can see behind their slotted and drilled rotors, that is at all four corners. If you take a look at the still pictures on the underside, you're also going to see QA1 components up front, tubular control arms. You're also going to have adjustable coilovers. Windows have been slightly tinted on the side glass and the rear glass, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Not real bad in this truck, actually very tastefully done, looks good. You can see paint shows well, panels are nice and straight, spray in bed liner. Remember, we do consider trades, financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Coming around to the rear, you can see the rear bumper also color matched to the vehicle. Dual exhaust. If you take a look at the underside, you're going to see that the exhaust from the cat back is a newer exhaust and is also straight piped from there. So you're aware of that. We will start it up so you can hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. We're also going to take this truck for a drive at the very end of the video so you can see how it goes down the road. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Does have a decoded digital dash we're going to check out when we get to the interior and show you the miles that are on it since that has been installed. Hey, if you like these GMC/Sierra trucks, maybe you're into a little bit older square bodies, maybe just like modified newer vehicles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. When these vehicles have their videos done and the pictures done and uploaded, they are available to purchase, and you can do that right on our website and of course our showroom floor if you can make it to see us in person. Hey, we always love that. Now, as far as this driver's side, you can also see panels nice and straight, paint shows well. This one is not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches, anything like that. Let's go ahead and take a little closer peek at this interior. See what's been done here. So, power locks, it appears, manual windows, door panels. Nice shape. Custom seat has been installed. Bench, as you can see, shoulder belts intact. Tilt column, a little different steering wheel. Here's that decoded digital gauge cluster. You can see what I'm talking about. It was a custom Pioneer stereo install. Top of the dash, nice shape. Headliner. Again, you can see nice condition as far as this truck. Let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, so miles, looks like 3102. Stereo system. Let's go ahead, that's gonna power up here in a second so I can show you it is working. Some more modern stereo system to it. Also nice shape, looks like Bluetooth capabilities. Microphone up here. No surprises on the interior also. Door closes and fits nicely. Let's take a listen. All right, let me go ahead and pop the hood a second. I want to show you the engine. We're going to take a peek at that. And like I said, stick around to the very end of this video and we're going to take this truck for a drive. All right, hood pop. Check out the engine bay. Underside of the hood first. And here it is. That'd be the 305 Vortec V8 power. Again, paired up with a 4L60E, so you have automatic with overdrive trans. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Nice looking tidy engine bay. Sounds good, looks good. So there you go, 1998 GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado lookalike maybe. Either way, nice custom truck. You get what I'm saying. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Take your time looking through them. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1998 GMC Sierra pickup with a nice cowl induction hood, dark gray looking paint that looks great with a black interior. Some updates to the gauges, very nice, and the steering wheel. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Nice acceleration in this truck. Exhaust sounds great. Our tachometer on the left working, right in the middle, speedometer also working great. Fuel gauge reading almost full. Volts are at 14. Oil pressure at 40. And the temperature about 185 currently. Pioneer touchscreen. Well, partly touchscreen. Working well. We do have the AC on. Blows kind of cool from time to time. I wouldn't say cold. Nice bench seat in this truck. Custom bench seat. Brakes are working well. Nice and smooth. Custom headliner material also looks very good. Tastefully done truck. Corners nicely. Corners a little better than stock, I'd say. Got a USB port mounted right into the dash. Another tasteful update. New black carpeting. Looks like new, I should say. Speakers in the doors. Well done truck. Easy to drive, fun to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.